AP Calculus, AB, Section 1, Exam Review, Question 2, Natural Log Function. The natural log of x minus 2 is less than 0 if and only if a. X is less than 3, b. X is between 0 and 3, c. X is between 2 and 3, d. X is greater than 2, or E, X is greater than 3. Okay, so the way we're going to handle this is by observing the graph of ln of x. And below you see the graph of ln of x isolated for x values between x is equivalent to -1 and +1. And these are the regions. In this region, this is where the graph is actually going to be less than 0, okay? So we're going to say the ln of t, we'll just choose some arbitrary variable, is less than 0. We're going on a little thought experiment here. For t is greater than -1, and t is less than 1. Or in other words, you can say for t is between -1 and 1, but not including the boundaries 1 and -1, okay? So therefore, the ln of x is less than 0. Well, in order for the ln of x to be less than 0, it has to be between -1 and 1. So the value of x minus 2 has to fall between -1 and 1. And so x minus 2 will be -1 if x is equivalent to 1. And x minus 2 will be 1 if x is equivalent to 3. So x has to be between 3 and 1, and then now you can just go ahead and fill in your inequalities. This is the way I do it. I find it easier to do it this way than getting really technical mathematically. So the answer choice that matches this is for x is between 2 and 3, because you have another answer choice where for x is between 0 and 3, but 0 is too low, because if you plug 0 in right here, you're going to get -2, and that's outside of the bounds of the graph being less than 0. Okay? All right.